Hey everybody, how's it going? It's another day of videos. I have a new little Callista curling iron thing here. We're gonna try to see what it does, use it, see what's happening with this thing. See if we can get it to do something. I think it's a curling iron with these stupid bristle brush things in it. There we go. Hi! If we can get a little bit of feathering in there today. I guess that's gonna be our hairstyle, right? Let's see how we did. Feels like, I don't know. Feels like some people would probably get this stuck in their hair. So I would not recommend this to everybody. It's almost like the round brush. My grandmother only had a round brush at her house, and she would tell us to brush our hair, and of course mine was always like the nappiest, and I would always get that stupid round brush stuck in my hair. So I went to hair school. I learned how to use a hairbrush, a round brush. So excited. And I no longer get it stuck in my hair, other people's hairs. I'm not sure if this could be used to straighten hair, if you brush through it. I didn't read the directions, of course. I just pulled out my iron and threw the box away. That's how I roll. I don't need no instructions. I got this. And my hair will fall out and I'll be crying like, what happened? I should have read the instructions. So I guess if you want like a brush blow dry set with this, it's pretty good, you know? You can feel like you did the blow dry brush set without the blow dry. This side, finish it up. I hope everyone's having a good week. I know I'm gonna have a good week because I'm getting tattoos on Thursday. Every week is a good week when you're getting tattoos. don't feel like it gets very warm. The inside feels pretty warm, but I guess you're gonna have to let it cool off. You could probably just brush your hair with this and straighten it like that one lady has with her little hair brush that she does her little crazy styles with, but I'm guessing this is all we're getting with this brush curl thing. But it's an okay style to run out the door. It's got a little fluff in it. Alright ladies, and there we go. That's it for the new round brush. It's alright, right? Gives you a little bit of, looks like you blow dry styled it. You can get through the day like that. I like it. I look pretty. Tell me I'm pretty. Okay, that's all I want to hear. I'm glad you guys are still watching. Got another style done with a new iron that nobody knows about, but we'll try it. We'll do it. You saw it here, okay? If you like this video, press the like, subscribe, tell your friends, get you a little round brush. Don't get it stuck in your hair, please. And we'll see you next time.